السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام. أهلا مصطفى محمد.
Yeah, 1 minute and we will start. Rima.
Hi, Mr.
Hi.
Can I solve question 6 with you when you start, please? Because yesterday I was attending, but I didn't participate, so
Yeah.
I thought I would start today.
Okay, we will do it again, inshallah. This is the open board. Okay, this is number 5. We will do the number 5, then we will go back to number 6 because the idea of number 5 is very, very, very important. For example, the last year, Rima, approximately 5 to 7 questions about the same idea, using an equation, justify the answer, and verify if it is A, B, C, D, or E. Okay?
Yes.
So maybe I will let, for example, Ragad or Jude help me in this question, and you will solve number 6. You want this question or question number 6?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, let's start. So with this number, okay, yeah. So read carefully the given. Rima?
I can't see your screen.
Okay. Stop sharing again. Yeah, I think now. لحظة, 1 minute. Okay. It's okay now, yeah, Rima?
Not yet.
Just wait. I'm presenting. Ragad and Jude.
Yes.
Do you see the screen or no?
Oh no. No.
Again. Let me try again, but why? Open board. Rima now.
No, it's not appearing.
What?
It's not appearing.
Just 1 minute. Okay. Now.
Unfortunately, it's not appearing. Maybe you should rejoin. Maybe it will work then.
Okay, I will try to share all the screen because okay now. Rima now the same problem?
Yes, it's not appearing.
Right. I will rejoin again, okay? Just 1 minute.
Yes, we could see it now.
Okay, thank you. طيب, so a square of numbers, يلا ريما.
A square of numbers is taken out from a multiplication table.
Okay.
Only one number is visible. The integers x and y are both positive, and x is greater than y.
So in this sentence, yeah, Rima, how many conditions do I have?
2.
No. This is the first one.
You mean
yes, both of them are what?
integers.
Integers. Okay.
Both are positive.
And x
is greater than y.
Greater than y. Okay.
Yeah.
Type. In the table, I only have the multiplication of two numbers, x plus 1 times y plus 1. So x plus, okay, plus 1 okay, times y plus 1 equals to what?
77.
77. Yeah. So now x times y.
xy.
xy. X times 1 x. 1 plus times y.
Y.
And 1 times 1.
1.
Okay, so 77. Okay, help. So xy now plus x plus y equal to what? To 76. Okay, because when I move plus 1 to the other side, it will be negative 1. So 77 minus 1, 76. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, now, Yarima, what is the value of x? Here we will try by what? By justifying or by testing one by one, starting from A to E. So this is the value of x. One of them is the right value. So I will start by what, Rima? I will start by replacing x by number 6. Then test if, because if I replace here Rima x by 6 or by any number, here now this is very important. This one is one equation with how many unknowns, Rima?
2 unknowns.
2 unknowns. Now when I replace x by one of this value, the equation will be what? Will be one equation with one unknown. So I can now calculate y, I can find y. After I find y, I need to test if x and y, okay, are what? Are what, Rima?
Integers.
Integers and
positive.
And
X is greater than y.
So let's start by 6, okay? Yeah. I will replace x by 6. So 6y plus 6 plus y equals to 76. Okay?
Yes.
6y plus y?
7y.
7y. 76 minus 6?
70.
70. And implies y will be equal to what, Rima?
10.
10, excellent. Right. Let's start by the first condition. If x is 6, y equal to 10. Okay?
Yes.
Both of them are what?
Integers.
Integers. Both of them are what?
Positive.
Okay. But do I have x strictly greater than y?
No.
6 is greater than 10?
No.
No. So this is not the right answer. I will move to what? To
7.
To 7. Yeah. I will read this part. Now, yalla, Rima, replace x by 7.
7y.
7y.
Plus 7.
Okay.
plus y.
Okay, equals to what? 76. Give me now the last step. 7y plus y.
8y
8y
69.
equals to 69. So y equal to what?
It's
Rima?
a decimal value.
Okay. Decimal value 69 over 8. So let's test the first condition. X and y are what, ya Rima?
Are not integers.
Excellent. So خلاص, this is not the right answer. I will not move to see if they are positive or x strictly greater than y, because I need 3 conditions, because I have and not or. You need to pay attention to these 2 words, okay? There is a big difference between and or. When I say and, it means we need to have the 3 conditions in the same time. But if I say or, if one of them is the right, can I apply one of them on our numbers? So this is the right answer. Okay, this will be the right answer. So this is not also the right answer. We will move Yarima to C. Yalla, quickly.
8y plus
8y. Okay.
plus y
Plus y.
equals 76.
Okay. So 8y plus y.
9y
9y
equals 68.
equals to what? Not 70. What?
Minus 8 from 76, we will get 68.
So 68. Excellent. So y equals to what?
It's a fraction. 78.
There's a fraction, so this is not the right answer also.
Yeah.
Okay, I know. Yalla. That's not. Yalla, let's move to 9 to 10. Yalla.
10y
10y plus y.
11y.
11y. Okay, here I will put 10. Okay, if I replace or if I move 10 to the other side, it will be negative 10. So 76 minus 10.
66.
Okay, 66. Now y equal to what? 66 over 11, which is equal to what?
6.
6. Now I have 2 what, ya Rima?
Integers.
2 integers number.
And
Both of
they're
them are positive. Do I have x strictly greater than y?
Yes.
Alas, this is the right answer. I will not try E. Why, Rima? Because from the beginning, 1 and only 1 from the multiple choices, from the 5 multiple choices is the correct answer. The correct answer. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Any questions? Let's see who we have today. Mishari, Jude, Ragad. Okay. Yalla. Number 6. Ragad.
Yes.
Yalla.
I am a number. I'm less than my half and greater than my double. The sum of me and my square is 0. Who am I?
There's a lot of information in only one sentence. Okay. Yalla. I am a number. I am what?
Less than my half.
Let's start by this one. Less than my half. The second condition.
Greater than my double.
Okay. Third condition.
The sum of me and my square is 0.
Yeah. So we start by, for example, by what?
Number x.
Yalla. Let's start by, yalla, choose one of them. Of course, we will start by A, for example. Okay?
Yes.
Yalla. Negative 2. What does mean half? Divided by?
2.
Divided by 2. So
yeah.
for the first one, negative 2 divided by 2 equals to what? To
negative
1. يلا. I am less than my half. Negative 2 less than negative 1. Is that correct?
Yes.
Negative 2 is less than negative 1. Okay. Greater than my double. What does mean double?
Multiply by 2.
Type negative 2 times 2?
Negative 4.
Negative 4. So negative 2, the number, because, and greater than my double. Negative 2. Greater than negative 4?
Yes.
That correct. Great. So now I have only the last condition. Okay. Let's try the sum of my square. What does mean square?
To the power of 2.
So negative 2 power 2.
4.
Okay. 4. What does mean the sum?
Like the sum plus.
Okay, the sum. So 4 plus negative 2, because the sum of both of them is equal to what?
2.
2. So it's not 0.
Yes. So
Okay, right. So this is not our right answer. We will move to second choice. But let me explain something here. When you have negative number with a power like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, this number are what, ya Ragad? 2, 4, 6, 8,
even
10,
numbers.
12, odd or even?
Even.
Okay, so when you have an even number on the power, of course, the answer will be positive. And when you have an odd one, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, okay, the answer will be what? Will be negative. Okay? Yani, for example, if I have negative 4 power 3, or negative 4 power 3, negative 4 power 2, and negative 4 power 2. Right. Can you give me the answer of the 4 power?
Me?
Yes.
First one, it's negative 64.
Okay.
And
Second.
this second one, negative 64.
Okay.
And this one, 16.
Okay.
This one's negative 16.
Okay, excellent. MashaAllah. So, why it's negative 16 here? Because the square here is only for number 4. It's not for the negative, for the sign negative. But here we have a parenthesis. When I have parenthesis, the rules say the negative will be for the number and the sign. Here I don't have any problem because the power is odd, is even. When the power is even, okay, so here you will have negative answer, and also here you will already have negative answer. Okay, any question about this part before we move to the second choice? We try the second choice.
It's
okay,
clear.
So Yalla Ragad, let's move to the second one. Let's start by what? I'm less than my half. What the half of negative 1?
Negative half.
Negative half, which is equal to negative 0.5. Okay. My question is, negative 1 less than negative 0.5. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's move to the other condition. Greater than my double. The double of negative 2 is what?
Negative 2.
Okay. Negative 1. The double of negative 1 is negative 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Greater than my double. Negative 1 is greater than negative 2?
Yes.
Okay. So let's move to the final condition. The sum of me and my square is equal to 0 or is 0. Negative 1 power 2 equal to what, ya Raghad?
1.
1. If I add minus 1 plus 1, the answer will be equals to what? Will be
0.
equal to what? To 0. So this is
B.
our right answer. It's B. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, guys. Any questions?
No, thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Next page. Yahya? Hello, Yahya.
Yes.
Yeah.
Assalamu
Read the question, please, carefully.
The rectangle
Okay.
is shown. The midpoint of the two longer sides are joined to all four vertex. What fraction of rectangle is shaded?
Okay. What fraction of the rectangle is what is shaded? So let's explain again. Okay. The midpoints of the two longer side. This is the midpoint. This one is equal to that one, and also this one is equal to that one. And because this is the rectangle, the opposite sides are equal, which is mean that the four side here, and if I say that this is A, okay, this is A, this is B, C, D, E, and finally F. Okay? AB equal to BC equal to ED equal to EF. Okay? Now, I want to what? I want to know the fraction of the rectangle is what, ya Yahya?
It's shaded.
Yalla, yani it means this part, this one. This part.
Mister,
Yalla, Yahya, just.
the answer is I think it's C.
I don't want, okay, but let's clear the idea, Yahya. It's not about the answer, it's about how you find your answer. Okay? Yeah. So the answer is what, Yahya? You think that the answer is what?
C.
C, 2 over 7. Okay, why?
Because if you the in the shown, I think that A and B to B and C, AB equals to BC, which is
Okay.
AB and plus BC equals BC, I think. BE, which is
Repeat,
the shaded part.
repeat again. No, of course. BE is not equal to AB or BC. This is not the case. Because you have a rectangle, not square here. Okay? Then also in math, Yahya, I will not say I think. Okay? I will say I will prove that, for example, AB will be equal to BC. Okay? So if you want to give any information, any idea, any properties on the figure or on the graph or on the equation, you need to say why. Yalla, let's think again. Type. Let me ask, for example, who can solve this question? Jude? Jude? Jude, are you with me?
Yeah.
Yalla. Let's try to solve this one. I want to know what the fraction of the rectangle is shaded. 2/5, 1/3, 2/7, 1/5, 1/4. And of course, I want to know why you choose, for example, 1/5 or 1/3 or 1/4. Like the area, for example. If I want to compare the area of the shaded region by what? By the area of ACDF, the big rectangle. Okay?
Okay.
We need to compare something. Yani, for example, if I do like that, yeah, Jude, I divide the rectangle into two parts. So if I know this part, and if I work only in this part, let me do it with big line like that. Okay, this one, this is the second one, the third one. Okay, if I try to find this part, you need to work in this part. So if I can find this shaded part according to these three, okay?
Maybe,
Yeah, I will help you, Jude.
maybe 1/4.
Okay, maybe 1/4. Why 1/4?
Because the upper shaded area is 1.
Okay.
And the lower shaded area is 4 triangles. Rectangle, I mean.
Exactly. This is what I want to say, Jude. Excellent, yeah, Jude. Jude, in this part, okay? If I divide this one, or if I let this one, the same thing. I have now in this area one triangle. Okay, let me. Okay. This one is 1. This one is 1. This one is number 2, the rectangle triangle number 2. This one number 3, Ajud. Okay, and the most important thing, if I join this part, Ya Yahya, and this part, Ya Jud, I will have triangle number what? Number 4. So in this part, how many triangles do I have? 4 triangles. Type. How many triangle, Ya Jud, is shaded? Only what? Only 1. Again, Ya Jud. Jude, are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, Jude, this is the first triangle. Okay, let me do it again. Okay, in this part, only in this part. This is our first triangle, for example. This is the second triangle. And this is the third triangle, okay?
Okay.
Then, the triangle number 4, if you add this part with this part, I will have triangle number what? Number 4. So how many triangles I have here?
4 triangles.
4 triangles. 4 triangles. How many in this part? How many triangles shaded?
4. 1, I mean.
1. So 1 out of what?
1/4.
Okay, 1/4. And the same thing for what? For the rectangle above. So in all the figure, all the rectangle, yeah, Jude, the number or the fraction of the shaded part is 1 over what? 1/4. Understood?
Yes.
So I divide my shape in what? Into what? Into 4 equals triangles. Okay? So 1 out of 4 triangles is what is shaded. So the fraction that represent the shaded part is 1/4. When I say 1 out of 4, it means 1/4. It means for 4 triangles, I have only 1 shaded triangle. Is that clear?
Can I ask a question?
Yalla.
Why is
Who's asking now?
Rima?
Rima, yalla Rima.
Why is the 4th triangle joined? I would count it as 5 triangles in the
No.
smaller triangle.
Yalla. Let's. I will say why. Okay. Okay. Look to the triangle in red color. This is the first triangle. Okay, Rima, this is the
Yes.
first one. The second one with green. Okay, the third one with the black, for example. Okay, now, can you say that, for example, if I take the yellow, can I say that this one, this part, only this part is equal to the black one or red one or green one? No, it's the half of each one of them. But if you add the 2 yellow triangle, if I add this one with this one, ya Rima, I will have a triangle, a congruent triangle to what? To the red one, black one, and the green one. Because look to the red triangle, ya Rima. This is the red triangle. Okay?
Yes.
If I divide this triangle into 2 parts, this one is equal to that one, and this one equal to that one. So how many triangles do I have? Only 4, not 5. Is that clear?
Yes.
Because the 2 triangle in the corner, okay, does not have the same area of the 3 others triangle.
Yes, I understood. Thank you.
You are welcome. Thank you for asking, ya Rima. Yalla.
I have a question.
Yalla, question. I was asking, but Ragad.
Reem? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What if I thought of it as in the whole triangle, the rectangle ACDE, F, sorry, I can count it as 4 rhombus.
Okay, exactly. Excellent.
And
Another
I have
idea.
1 out of 4.
Yeah, another idea. Excellent, yeah. Rima, it's B.
Reem.
So, Reem. Excuse me, Reem. So, Reem said that if I divide my shape into what, yeah, Reem? Again, into 4 what?
Rhombuses.
Okay. So, you will have 1. Okay. 1 out of what? Of 4. Because how many rhombuses do we have?
4.
Okay. Any questions? Yeah. Let's move to next one. I need to reduce. Okay. Yeah. Yahya, you can do it, I think, in this example. Yahya.
Yes, mister. Yes, mister. Can you hear me?
Yalla. Read the question.
On Nadia's smartphone, the diagram shows how many times she spent last week on each of her apps. This week, she valued the time spent on 2 of those apps, but spent the same amount of times the other 2 apps. Which of the following could be for this diagram for this week?
So this is like statistic on how many times she, for example, used the application of Facebook, Insta, Snapchat, anything, any application. So we have now 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the given, they say what, ya Yahya? That this week she have what?
The time half. The time she spent on 2 of those apps. يعني fill in half, mister.
Okay, excuse me, Yahya.
What?
Yalla.
That means she, in 2 apps, she used half of the time she used last week.
Okay, let me just try again. Yalla. Do you see the screen, ya Yahya?
Yes.
Okay, yalla. So read the second paragraph, please.
This week she have the time spent on 2 of those apps. But spent the same amount of time on the other 2. Which of the following could be the icon?
Yeah. Let's compare the original or the first diagram with A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, if we start by A. Yeah. If I say that this is the first one, let's say that this is 1.
A is wrong, mister. A is wrong.
This is 2. Yeah, I know. This is 3, and this is 4. Why A is wrong, yeah, Yahya?
Mister, because it uses 3.
Excellent. So this
it
is
uses
not
all
A.
of them. I mean.
All of them. All
Yes,
of them.
and half.
Excellent. Yalla, let's move to the second choice, B.
The second choice is wrong. It only uses 1, which is 3.
Why?
Because it only cuts half.
Which one?
3 only.
No, wait. Yahya. Wait. The second diagram. Okay. How many application does change?
1.
1?
Yes.
Okay, which one?
3.
Number 3. Excellent. So this is not B. The choice C.
Choice C is correct.
Why?
Because it uses it cuts in half to a website.
Which one?
First one and third one.
First one and third one. So this is the right answer. Excellent, Yahya. Any questions? Jude, Rima, Reem, Ragad.
No,
I
it's
think
clear.
I have also Mishari here. Okay, Mishari. Okay, any questions?
No, thank you.
Okay.
No,
Yalla.
thanks.
Yalla, for number 9. Yalla, we're gonna solve number 9. Of course, with explanation. Not accept this is B, C, or D. Yalla. Who want to solve the questions? Yalla, who want to solve the question? Mashari, can you try?
Okay, I'll try.
Yalla. Read carefully the given.
Okay.
Yep.
There are 5 candidates in the school election. After 90% of the votes had been counted, the preliminary results were as follows.
So, how many
Saleh with 14.
candidates do we have here?
5.
5. Saleh, Muhammad, Fahad, Nasir, and Abdullah. Okay? For, of course, in the school election. After what? After 90% of the what, ya Mishari?
Votes had been counted.
Okay, counted. The question is, how many students still have a chance of winning the election?
So there's a way we can like calculate the total number and multiply it by 10%. So
Excellent.
find the total number.
Excellent, ya Mishari. So, first of all, we count the total of what? Or for example, the student. Yes. So let's count it, yeah, Mishari. 14 plus 11 plus 10 plus 8 plus 2 equal to what? Equal to 2 plus 8,
45.
10 plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. Now, ya Meshari, the 45 students represent what?
90%.
90%. We still have how many as a percentage?
10% left.
10%.
So we can multiply by 1.1.
Excellent. 10%. How we calculate? This is very important. This is about proportional. If I say, for example, if I say, for example, I have, for example, a discount for 10%, okay? Or we reduce, for example, the price of the PlayStation, for example, for 20%. Give me the new price, for example. How you find the new price, or how you find the amount of what of the discount, or the value of the discount. The 10%, it means 0.10. 20%, 0.20. 30%, 0.30. So now I need to find the 10% of what? Of
45.
Of 45. Yeah. Let's do it, yeah. Mishari. The 10%.
Okay.
Of what? Of 45 is what?
Is it 5?
Is it 5? How? How you find 5?
And if it's 90%, it's 5.
If 90%, again?
If it's 90%, then it's 5, because the total will be like 10% is equal to 5. So
excellent.
Total of 50 votes.
So excellent. So we have now how many votes available now? Only how many? 5. Okay. Type. Now, after I count, or I find the number of 10%. Okay. Which one can what?
3.
Can win this competition or this election?
3. Salih, Muhammad, and Fahad.
Okay, why?
Because Salih is already winning, so plus 5 would be an advantage.
Excellent.
And 11, it could be 16, so more than 14. 10 could be 15, so still more than 14. Still win. But 8 cannot have a chance because it will be 13. Listen, Salih.
Excellent. So, first of all, yeah, Ragad, Jude, Tareem, Rima, Yahya, I find the rest of the percentage, which is 10%, which is equal to 5. So I still have 5 students. Okay, so I have 5 more votes. Okay, if I add the 5 to 14, or 5 to 11, or 5 to 10, to 8 or to 2, I will have 19, 16, 15, 13, and 7 respectively. Okay, so if I compare, for example, 16 with 14, 16 is greater than 14, so Muhammad will win the election. If I compare 15 to 14, Fahad will win. But if I compare 13 to 14, 13 is less than 14, so I have only 3 students can still win the election. So after 90% of after voting 90% of the students, I can say that only 3 students can win the election. Is that clear?
I have a question.
Yalla.
I didn't understand from where we got the 5.
Okay. Do you know what the proportional? Yeah. Who's asking? Reem? Reem?
No, Ragad.
Ragad, sorry. Ragad, for example, if I say, for example, that 20% of what? The 20% of 120. Okay, and if I, for example, for any article, okay, if the cost of any article is 120 riyal, okay, and you see on the store, for example, that the discount is 20%. The question will be find the discount and find the final answer. Okay, what does mean 20%? What does mean 20%? 20%, it means every 100 without any units, every 100 what? 100 riyal, $100, 100 book, 100 table, 100 pen, anything. For 100, I have 20. So for 120, I will have what?
24.
Okay. So 120 times 20, excellent. Over what? Over 100.
Yes.
So which is equal to what? To 24. The 24 is what, ya Ragad? The 24 is the number of, or the amount of the discount. Yani they will eat from 120, 24 riyal. So this is the discount. The discount is 24 riyal. Find the, I want to find the new price. The new price will be 120 minus 24, which is equal to 96. Okay, in the same way, okay, in the same way, you will solve this one. You will calculate the 10% of the 10% of the student, or the number of votes. Okay, because the 90% is representing 45%. So I will say if 90% is 45. Okay, if 90% is 45. Yeah. If 90%, yeah, Ragad, represent what? 45 students. Okay, this is for what? For 90%. I want to know the 10% represent what? So it's 10 times 45 divided by 90.
It's a decimal.
Which is equal, no? 45 divided by 9.
Oh,
45.
10 divided by 90, not 100.
No, pay attention. It's 10 times 45 divided by 90. I will simplify by 10. I have 45 over 9. Table of multiplication, Yarahad. 45 over 9 is 5. Okay?
Yes, thank you.
Okay? Are you sure, Yarahad?
Yes, I got it.
Yeah. Let's move to the second one. Maybe we will not solve this one. We'll take it as a homework for tomorrow. Just let's read the given with Jude. Yalla, Jude.
5 squares and 2 right-angled triangles are arranged as shown. The numbers 3 and 8 and 22 inside 3 of the squares indicate their areas in square meters.
Okay, square meters. So again, let's read again the given, because we will take it as a homework. Okay, so let's explain this question carefully so you can solve the question for tomorrow. This is very important. It's about area. Okay, and there is a lot of questions about the area. Yeah, again, 5 squares and what, ya Rajud?
2 right-angled.
Okay.
triangles.
This part. This is the first one. This is the second one. Yeah. Are arranged as shown. The number what?
3 and 8 and 22.
Okay. Yalla, continue. The numbers 3, 8, and 22 inside 3 of the square indicate their area in the square meter. What is the area of what? Of the square?
The question mark.
Okay, the question marks. Yeah. It's about what?
Ratio property.
Okay, excellent. Which theorem? Did you took Pythagorean theorem?
Yeah.
The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the legs of what? Of right triangle. Okay, guys. Again.
Yeah.
I will give you a hint for this part. This is the right triangle. If I call this one C, this one is A, and this one is B, I will say that C square equal to A square plus B square. Okay? So you need to find this one, for example, maybe this one, after calculating the two legs of what? Of the right triangle. Okay, so I will give you that as a homework, and tomorrow inshallah we will continue in this question to another level, because the next question, number 11, it's on 4 points. Okay, so we're gonna move to another level. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Yalla, see you tomorrow inshallah.
Thank you.
Yalla, salam alaikum.
Okay, see you inshallah.